Your art is trash! Take your garbage back, old man! Why did you pour the garbage on me? You little punk! All right, let's hit the road. Come on, you can keep up. Woo! Long's living. Feels good to be home. I will get him and make sure he pays for this. He will pay for this. I can't believe this. And it sounds. No.
All right, all set. Time to go.
Hey, puppy on the roof, stop!
Oh, baby, take me high, feel me down and take night.
Hey, on your roof, stop the car!
Move away, I'm in a hurry. I'm running late. Come on, people, move!
Sorry, just a second. Please stop. A puppy is on your car roof. Please stop. Look what I found on the roof.
I forgot I kept him there. Thank you so much for helping me.
No problem. Glad I could help. Ugh, this junk is worthless. Hey! Don't you touch those! Why did you throw away my bags? Come pick it up right now! Pass my bags! Feel good to be home. I need to drink a hot coffee. I'll get you and make sure you pay for this. Ah! Where have you been? Come here. Good boy.